I've got a really special release to share with you from Kellofaplan. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and this is a very special release from Kellofaplan because it is a new product that we haven't seen before. So this is the Couples Journal and Coordinating Sticker Book. They are releasing on March the 20th, 10 a.m. Central Time, 11 a.m. on the East Coast. I do have an affiliate link, so thank you in advance for using that link. But this is a new journal that she worked with her sister to create. And I think we all remember that her and her sister worked together to create the mental health and wellness journal that she released last year. Love it. It is wonderful. And so I'm excited to see what this couples journal is all about. So today we're going to unbox the planner. We're going to check out the stickers and we're going to see what this new product is all about. Let's go. Okay, we're going to start with the journal. Of course, it's in a beautiful Kellofaplan box. Love it. We're going to pull it on out right here. It is in that classic size. Beautiful cover. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. You have plastic discs. Those are kind of the mini discs. Here's the back cover. And inside we have stripes. Planning a Life I Love Couples Journal. Very pretty. Sections in this journal. So it's going to talk about it. Our love story, communication, companion journaling, couples goals, date nights, and celebrating us. How fun. Here's relationship snapshot. Partner 1, partner 2. How long we've been together. 3 words to describe our relationship right now. What do we want to remember about this chapter? Something we're proud of right now. And then you answer this. My partner is really great at, and my favorite thing about my partner is how sweet. How sweet. Guidelines. Oh, this is awesome. I love that they're going through like, what do you use? How you're working through this journal. It's just a wonderful way to connect, maybe even to work through issues that may come up and just to remind ourselves in the midst of craziness, how thankful we are for our partner. Our love story. You share your love story here. Story sharing tips. Focus on the moments that mattered most. Highlight the memories, turning points, and little details. Share from both perspectives. I think that's probably pretty important. Be honest, not perfect. Doesn't need to sound flawless. Reflect on how far you've come. Acknowledge the growth. So how we met. What was our first impression of each other? I like how you have the 2 boxes here. Who made the first move? What made us meeting special in hindsight? I love that. I love thinking, this is going to sound so corny. There was a time that I met my husband where we shook hands. We just met for the first time, that we had no idea the life that we would build. And I just think that like that started in that moment and we had no idea. And it gives me chills now just thinking of it. What was the first thing we noticed about each other? Was there an awkward or funny moment we laugh about now? Our first date. What made you want a second date? That's a good one. Love. This is so cool too, to write it down for your kids so that they know. How sweet. The dating days. When and where was our first trip? Funny story. My husband and I, our first date was a road trip. So first I love yous. When and how did we meet each other's families? A meaningful gift. My now husband showed up with a 24-pack of Diet Dr. Pepper to my apartment. And that was a meaningful gift because he knew I was out. And I just remember thinking, he's awesome. Our favorite restaurant or go-to date spot. Dating memories. Oh, how fun. For the pictures, I love it. How we grew together. Oh, this is like going past dating. How did our communication change? Engagement story. Love. I got engaged in Washington, D.C., in Georgetown at the same restaurant and same booth where John F. Kennedy proposed to Jackie O. That's where my husband proposed to me. It's a long story, but I love JFK, and so it was amazing. I loved it. Engagement memories, our wedding day. Oh, this is so great to kind of just tell your story. Wedding memories. You probably have a whole wedding album, so it's nice. It's just, you just need a little bit. Communication. All right. Communication connections. It's about understanding each other on a deeper level, and then tips for better communication. How I feel loved. Each partner fills out their own page. So you like fill this out separately, and then you have it as a comparison. That's kind of cool. All the different love languages. My love language is, each partner fills out their own column. Love that. Geez, this is great. Especially as someone that is currently long distance from her husband, this would be great for us to work on. My typical conflict style. I didn't know there were different conflict styles. We are all learning here. Interesting. My repair needs, what repairing looks like for me, what I need in order to feel reconnected. Most helpful thing you can say after we disagree. Oh my goodness. This is great. Appreciating you. Love. Conversation starters. Oh, this is awesome. Again, as someone that's living far away from their significant other at the moment, that's beautiful. Love. Guys, I love this. Journaling. Companion journaling. This section is designed to help us explore meaningful topics side by side. First individually and then together. By writing our thoughts privately before sharing, we give ourselves space to reflect honestly, without pressure or interruption. When we come together afterwards, we open the door to deeper conversations, new perspective, and emotional understanding. Okay, so here's what you have. Partner 1, what helps me feel most connected to you? And then partner 2, what is something I wish you knew about me? Same thing. So you have like the 2 prompts, prompt 3, prompt 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so I feel like what you do is work on them separately, and then you come and compare. Is that the thought? You compare, you talk, you grow. I think that is what, let's see if it just keeps going. We'll see how many. Yeah, so all the different prompts. So let's look at some of them. What's a recent moment where I felt especially loved by you? What's something that has been weighing on me emotionally? What's a small thing I appreciate you doing? What helps me feel heard and understood? What's something I sometimes struggle to say out loud? Has our relationship helped me grow? What's a goal I'd love for us to pursue as a team? These are great. And then in the back, it says, love this activity. Grab a notebook and continue it on your own. You can continue answering pages side by side in your notebook. Below are some journaling prompts to help you continue this journey. These prompts, plus the 20 in the book, is enough to journal for an entire year together. Love it. Love. And you could just pop in pages too. You could keep it in this book if you wanted and just add in more pages. Okay. Goals. Goal setting. This is, guys, I'm into this. Goal setting for couples. This section is designed to help us dream boldly, plan intentionally, and grow together as a team. Setting goals as a couple strengthens clarity, communication, and connection. It reminds us that we're not just sharing a life, but building one side by side. As we write, reflect, and set intentions together, we create a shared vision for our future, one built on collaboration, encouragement, and a deep commitment to growing hand in hand. Love that. Our shared vision. Shared goals are 5 shared goals, steps we can take in the next 12 months, and challenges we may face. Personal vision board and personal goals, and you have that twice. So I wonder if you should do your personal ones first, and then Annual partner goals, maybe trips you want to take, projects you want to accomplish, things you want to work on. Long-term partner goals, love. Couples bucket list, top 10 things we want to do in life, things we want to see, experience, do, visit, and then some goal planning pages and a goal review. That's interesting. I don't know that we've taken the time. We have a couple goals, things we've wanted to do as a family or achieve, like moving to Texas. So, but I don't know that we've mapped it out in that way. That's kind of a cool way to think about it. Date nights, intentional time. Let's see what this, this is our favorite past dates, home date, night out date, activity date, what made these dates meaningful, and then some date ideas. That's fun. Seasonal date ideas. Date night bucket list, and then plan your date night. That's cute. Love. Intentions for date night. Laugh more, try something new, make memories, disconnect from stress. Yes, please. Connect with each other, intimacy, alone time together, conversation. Loving. That's awesome. And then we have celebrations, celebrating us. This section is all about pausing to recognize the joy, strength, and beauty of your relationship in the middle of routines, responsibilities, and everyday life. It's easy to forget how special your partner truly is. These pages give you both space to honor the moments, memories, and qualities that make your partnership worth celebrating, whether you're reflecting on your growth, highlighting what you love about each other, or capturing milestones big and small. This section reminds you both to cherish the relationships you have built. Reasons I choose you. The strength you bring to our relationship, quality I admire deeply, a way you make life better, how you show up for me. Monthly couples recap. So you have the theme, one area we grew, things we appreciated this month, a memory we won't forget, something we did well. This month's celebrations, this month we felt, something we want to carry into next month. So you have all of those. Is that what it is? Let's see. Nope. Okay. All the monthly recaps for a year. Love letter to each other. That's very sweet. And then our next chapter. You guys, this is intriguing. I kind of thought it would be a little corny, and now I can't wait to share this with my husband. I'm not going to lie. I cannot wait to start working on this as a couple, because I do think that it could be really, really helpful. I love it. It's so well thought out. It's just beautifully, beautifully done. So that is the new couples journal. And what a great gift, you guys, for a newly engaged couple. What a great gift to give to your sons and daughters and their spouses. I just maybe maybe giving these as gifts to your small group at church. I love that idea. And then there is a sticker book, because of course there is a sticker book. Couples journal. Oh my goodness. Yeah, goals, super cute. These are all on white sticker paper, just little decorative elements. Here, look at all of the little animals. They are adorable. All the Valentine's feels. Love. Just little things to decorate a page, not to go overboard. I don't think of this as a journal that you're going to spend a lot of time decorating. I think of this as a journal you're going to spend a lot of time writing in, but it's nice to have some stickers that coordinate, that you can add every now and then. Pretty decorative elements, some different seasonal ones. Very cute. Look at the ring. So sweet. Look at the couples there. And the florals, of course. 2 pages of each type of sticker. Lots of florals. Beautiful. Oh, I love those. That's sweet. I really like that a lot. All right, now you have some functional stickers. So generally these fit into some different sections. Love the bullet points, checklists. So many bullet points that you can use throughout the book, which I think is probably pretty key. Functional boxes. You have the small ones. Some pretty hexagons. I love that. Love the hexagons. beautiful phrases, you and me together forever. Baby, you are my world. My heart beats for you. The man of your dreams. Falling in love with you is a never-ending dream. Love is the story of us. She's my better half. Super cute. All because two people fell in love. Our love is in our hands. Our love is magic. Thinking of you keeps me awake. Dreaming of you keeps me asleep. Being with you keeps me alive. Wow. Something tells me I'm going to love you forever. I love that. And then these look to be, oh, these are like little washi tape things. Is that what this is? The whole, it's hard to see. It's always hard to see these things. It looks like washi tape. Yeah, like little washi tape strips. That's cute. I love that. It's hard to always see with the sizing and stuff. But yeah, these are all little washi tape strips. Very cute. Same thing on here. Same size? Yeah, same size. Some variations. This is a little bit easier to see. So some of them are a little thicker, and then some of them are thin. You can see those. Those are fun. That's different. Love. And this, I think, is font. I think we got alpha stickers. Maybe? Maybe? I kind of want to take the backing off to see if it's actually alpha stickers. I think it is. Looks to be alpha stickers, which are fun ways to title different pages in this book that would coordinate really nicely. Yeah. So you have all of the alpha stickers and some numbers right here. I'm going to just slowly pull those up so we can see them a little bit better. So that's how, those are all the different alpha stickers. Looks like you have a couple of pages of those. Just get that back. Okay. I'll probably take that backing off just so I can see the alphas that I'm aiming for a little bit better, and 2 pages of this. So that's cool. I actually didn't anticipate this being as decorative. I totally thought it was going to be like functional for things in here, but it's just like little bits of decorative moments. Nothing crazy. Just a few functional stickers for you to add here and there. A great coordinating set. I'm kind of super into this, you guys. So I'm excited to try it with my husband. I don't know that I'm going to share a lot of it on my channel because obviously it's going to be personal for us. But I think this is a really great idea. I think this is a really great tool. And I think it's definitely worth taking a look at. So again, these new goodies release on March the 20th. 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, 11 a.m. on the East Coast. Check out the affiliate link. And don't miss out. I kind of think these are going to sell out because I do think that they make amazing gifts to give to other couples that we know in our lives, and then just a gift for yourself, for you and your significant other. I think that can make a huge difference. So I'm pretty excited about it. Make sure to check it out. Thank you to Heather for sending this to me, and she just keeps knocking it out of the park, you guys. Kellofaplan is where it's at. She knows what she's doing. She's designing beautiful products, so make sure to go check out her website. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Huge shout out to all my Patreon family. We're having a fabulous time over on Patreon. There's all kinds of perks, including weekly printables. So if that's something you're into, you're going to want to head over, check it out. Printables start at the pink tier. You can find out more info at patreon.com/ScrappyWife. All right. I hope that you all have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.